Bullish STEPN cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.21 and $2.28 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach 93 cents by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 21 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the essential presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. STEPN, the principal NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money and play to acquire perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project headways and depository appropriation. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we look at what is GMT. What's more, STEPN specialized and crucial examination. We should check it out. STEPN major investigation brokers utilize specialized examination to zero in on a resources presentation, every now and again down to the moment on exchanging diagrams, while crucial exploration does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them an extensive information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The genuine worth of a resource is what major examination plans to recognize. For instance, by considering various inward and outer models, you might decide if a digital money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the saying, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the principal examination. Financial backers that stick to key examination contend that the principal indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy economical resources, this is an astounding strategy. There are many offers for GMT according to authentic information. The offer is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining biological system knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. STEPN is right now worth 26 cents USD. GMT has moved 1.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,406,483. STEPN is right now positioned 126 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $231,888,985 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. STEPN value expectation 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 40 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 37 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 32 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 67 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the GMT's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 53 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 58 cents. STEPN value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 93 cents and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 85 cents and a low of 80 cents in 2025. STEPN value expectation 2026 assuming that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.21, with a base cost of $1.07 and a typical cost of $1.13. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.39 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.34 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a greatest value worth of $1.47. STEPN Value Expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.66. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.74. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.61. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $1.88 and a yearly cost close above $2.01 in 2029. STEPN Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.15 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.28, averaging out at $2.20. STEPN Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest GMT cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.63 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.52. And given the enormous volume of GMT cryptographic money exchanging, the likely development, and the quantity of applications presently being made on the Solana blockchain. As far as speculation guidance, STEPN is by all accounts a shrewd venture according to Showcase Cap and specialists. Notwithstanding, remember that nothing in the crypto domain is sure, so don't contribute on the off chance that you can't stand to lose the cash. The cost of STEPN GMT is declining, yet appraisers show that the descending pattern will before long converse, and a vertical force will begin. For transient financial backers, holding the token can be a risky venture. However, it is obvious that drawn-out financial backers stand to essentially acquire. What is the STEPN cost today? Today, STEPN is exchanging at 26 cents with a complete market capitalization of $231,888,985. Is STEPN a wise speculation? STEPN ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this